Welcome back to another exciting video on Ken Agritech. Today, we're exploring the captivating world of peanut cultivation. From the unseen magic beneath the soil to the creation of the creamy peanut butter we all love, you'll get an in-depth look at every step of this amazing journey. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this comprehensive dive into the stages of peanut farming and processing. Contrary to popular belief, peanuts aren't nuts. They're legumes that grow underground. The process begins with clearing the field by removing crop residues, weeds, stones, and debris. A clean field is vital for the pegging process, during which peanuts develop beneath the soil. Farmers then conduct soil tests to evaluate pH levels, nutrient content, and any deficiencies. Peanuts thrive best in slightly acidic to neutral soils, so balancing the pH is a key factor. Next, the soil is loosened through tilling, ensuring it's aerated and free of clumps. Farmers use tools like hoes or advanced machinery to form rows spaced 24 to 36 inches apart. Peanut seeds are then sown at a depth of 1 to 1.5 inches and spaced 2 to 4 inches apart to ensure optimal growth. Modern equipment, such as John Deere's MaxEmerge 5 planter, simplifies the process by integrating tilling, sowing, and spacing into a single, efficient operation. Irrigation is essential for peanuts. After sowing, maintaining steady soil moisture is critical to ensure robust germination and healthy plant growth. Peanuts require approximately 1 to 1.5 inches of water weekly, either from natural rainfall or irrigation systems. As the plants develop, they produce vibrant green leaves and delicate flowers. The timing of the harvest is crucial. Different peanut varieties reach maturity within 120 to 150 days. Farmers often check the color of the inner shells to assess when the peanuts are ready for harvesting. Harvesting peanuts is a precise and skilled process. A peanut combine gently lifts the plants from the ground, shakes off the soil, and places them upside down to dry in the sun for several days. This natural drying process reduces moisture content, lowers the risk of fungal growth, and prolongs shelf life. The following step is threshing. Machines equipped with rotating drums separate the peanut pods from the vines. Cleaned peanuts are collected in storage hoppers, while the remaining plant material is used to enrich the soil for future crops. After harvesting, peanuts are transported to designated drop-off facilities. Here they are weighed, inspected for quality, and dried to a moisture content of approximately 10% before storage, ensuring their freshness and preserving their value. Processing starts with thorough cleaning. Peanuts are fed into machines designed to crack their shells and separate the kernels from any debris. Gravity separators are then used to distinguish high-quality kernels from damaged ones. The next step is blanching. Peanuts are warmed using steam or hot water, which loosens their red skin, making it easy to remove. This process leaves the peanuts smooth and prepared for roasting. Roasting amplifies the irresistible aroma and flavor of peanuts. After roasting, some peanuts are processed into creamy peanut butter, while others are packaged as whole snacks for consumers. Quality control is a top priority. Every product undergoes rigorous inspection and is packaged in jars, pouches, or cans to maintain its freshness during storage and transportation. Strict quality measures ensure safety and premium standards in each batch. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the world of peanut farming. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Ken Agritech, and hit the bell icon to stay informed about our latest agricultural explorations. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and take care.